Build an epic startup in less than an hour and a fully customized website. What we have here is a content curation site for funny videos, and it has a ranking system that ranks the videos. So like based on their popularity, just scale that up. And there's another page right here where people submit YouTube videos. So let's add another YouTube video to show you what that looks like. Steve-O on drugs compilation. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so here we go. Paste, submit the video already, and boom, it shows up right down here. So you just spam this link all over the internet and people will submit their videos on your epic website, which ours is called Haha Wow TV. Yours can be called whatever. It could be called Scare Me Until I Poop My Pants, and it's gonna have all the scariest surprise videos ever, and then people are going to go to your website and be like, man, I know this guy really knows how to scare me, and let me show you this site. It's called scareme.com or whatever you want to call yours. And that's it. It's really a simple website, simple stuff that traditional programming you'd have to, I mean, it would take you more than I'm assuming, unless you're really talented, it would take you at least more than an hour. We're going to do it in like 45 minutes, so let's blitz through it. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is go to bubble.io/home, click on a new app. Well, first of all, create an account if you don't already have an account. It's just gonna be right up there at the top right hand. Just choose an email, password, everything else. Very standard, straightforward. You're gonna be in this lesson section when you first sign up, so go over to My Apps. If you're in this lesson section when you begin, if you already have an account, awesome. Just go to your home page in My Apps and create a new app. So we're gonna call this app Haha Wow TV. You're gonna have to pick your own name because mine's already gonna be taken. You can just add this Haha Wow TV is gonna already be taken, but you can add whichever one you want. So we're gonna call this a directory and listings, the details of what we're building, a content curation site. We don't want to start from any templates. Create a new app. All right, awesome. Then we're really gonna just freaking blitz through this. It's going to be awesome and kick ass. You guys are going to learn a lot really fast, and you're going to learn a lot of the power of Bubble 2 and why it's absolutely just doesn't even compare to standard development. It's so much more fun to develop with Bubble. Okay, let's just delete all this stuff, at least in my opinion, because I like to do things fast and efficient. Okay, so I just double clicked here, deleted some of that crap that we don't need. Let's get right to it. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to build a header. So let's go over, click up here in this top right section, go over to header, and I'm just going to delete this. So click on this, press delete on your keyboard, and delete that. Whoops, actually let's edit undo. We want to save this little group here. Let's go over here to the corner, click on this plus sign, group logged in. Let's get rid of that. We don't even need accounts really right now. Sign up login, just delete that. Let's now move this down and move that up a little bit. That's about the right header width right there. Okay, and change this color to like pretty much a black, kind of like that. Let's add some text. So click on text, drag it across the page, move it up, double click. Call this Haha Wow TV. Okay, remove style, size 20, let's go with, like, says 32. That's plenty big. Let's go with the Open Sans font, make it bold, and make it white. All right, here we go. Alrighty, whitey. All right, we're off to a good start. Okay, that's good. It doesn't matter. I don't want to waste time there. That looks good. Let's add a logo really quick, real simple. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is draw an image on the page. Click on image, draw it on the page. We're just going to add a little zest to our header here. So go find a photo that you want to add. I found this one online and I think it's cool. It's basically just some paint. I literally searched paint to find it online, just looked for paint. Oh shit, that looks really cool. I like that. Haha Wow TV. This is great. Copy and paste that mofo over here, yo. Yeah, I like that. Let's make Haha, wow, it's even draw it over a little bit like that. Awesome, and then makes those fixed width, fixed width, fixed width. We want to make sure that's fixed width. Left click it, center the text horizontally, and that's it. We're done with the header. I mean, that's all we needed. It's kind of behaves a little. Let's see. Let's make it a little darker. Just we don't want to waste too much time on design. We want to keep moving real fast. That's the goal of this. That's about right there. Okay, going back to the index, let's go down. So scroll all the way down to the bottom here. Header, drag it out on the page. Boom. Header's done. We're moving on to the next step. The next thing we want to do is we want to display videos. So we're going to click on this repeating group section, drag it out onto the page real big like this. Center it horizontally, double click on it, and make sure that it is fixed width. Now we need to create the database. We're going to do this really fast, and it's going to make a ton of sense. It's really pretty simple. So when we build the database, we just have two things, the type and the field. And we just think about what an object, we just think about describing an object. So like a ball, for example, a ball has colors. It also has a surface. Well, that's not a very good example. Let me think of a better example. A workstation, right? So a workstation has multiple components to it, right? So we could have a type called workstation, just as a real brief example, which could include your computer, and that could be whatever, this field text, and then we could have, well, what else do we have? Well, we know there's also going to be a mouse, and then you're also going to have a microphone, and then you get the idea. So you're just describing objects. And then the fields, when you're determining, well, we'll get into that later. Let's just keep going. So all we're going to have is a video, and that's going to be, it doesn't need to be approved. There's just going to be text, which is going to be the link text. And then it's going to have upvotes and downvotes, and it's really going to be this is simple. So let's go here. Do we want to, let me see how upvote is just going to be a count. Yeah, just a vote. Actually, it's really even simpler than this. So we're just going to call it vote, and it's going to be a number. This is going to default value on vote. It's going to be 0. And the idea here is we're going to upvote and downvote, and we're just going to include the funniest videos. Real simple. And then there's going to be the link text like that. That's really all we need to add there. So next thing, let's go back to here and let's say look for videos. Do a search for video, new constraint, vote, and actually let's go here, sort by vote, descending, yes. Okay, and search for videos is all good. Next thing, we're going to format this, so we're going to change this to width of, say, rows of 3, column 2. Let's actually make this wider. Here we go. Let's add some more text. Holy shit, that's funny. Excuse my profanity. That's a little too big. Let's make that like 60. It's going down. Let's go like size 50. 40. All right, I gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. Don't want to waste too much time on this. Okay, there we go. Let's add that. Let's add a little more personal zest. So click on the icon, drag an icon out. Let's add some like flame or something. There must be some like fire. Is there a fire? Fire. All right, this fire will work. Pretty sure this is another. Holy shit, that's funny. Okay, drag that out. And then here we're gonna go control, and we're gonna click all these, center them in a group, center this horizontally. And then we're gonna call this the hot pack. Let's see here, it's this. Let's go, let's edit, undo. Yeah, it's actually, we'll leave this and bring this up. Bring this up nice and tight. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna add the videos. It's real simple. This is video input. Drag it out on the page. Make it nice and pretty big. Let's make this a little bigger. Let's make it a little different. We're gonna add more videos. Let's add 3 columns. Yeah, that's nice. I like 3 columns. Let's bring this up too. Okay, how about something like that? Whoa, that's a little bit, it might be a little much. Yeah, let's go down. Let's go 2x2s. Yeah, 2x2 is pretty good. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go over full focus. Well, yeah, we'll do 2x2. Yeah. As you can see, we are already soaking up time. Here we go. Bring this over. All right, there we go. And then now we just need to get rid of this. We're going to change this to extended vertical scrolling, and then get rid of this dash. Now we're going to add this insanity to our website, which is going to be this pop-up that's going to display the ad. So someone's going to pay to get this pop-up of their video pull up on the site. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. We're neurotic developers, that's for sure. Okay, so we're gonna call this, you need to watch this. OMG, it's funny. It's so funny. And then let's add some like surprised face. Surprise face. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Image. Drag that B. There we go. That's so funny. You need to watch this. OMG. And then it's going to be the video. Oh my gosh. And then one more video. And this is going to be the paid ad. This is how we're going to do this. Let's also make this, you need to watch this OMG, and then make this in like bright, or freaking bright red. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Move this up a bit. And move this down. And let's add a icon. Let's double click. Close. Change this to black. Nice and pretty small. Next, this pop-up can't be closed by pressing escape. No, we'll leave that out. We'll let people close it, and then click here. It's just gonna close, and then it's gonna take the workflow, actions, element actions, hide, pop-up A, just like that. And then this video ID, and we're gonna say do a search for video who's, and then here's where we need to add another field. Let's go over to data again. I'm gonna say pop-up. That's it. That's simple. It's gonna be yes or no. And we're going to default values to be no. There we go. So then we're going to say search for videos whose pop-up is equal to yes. First item. Items. Link text. Boom. There we go. This element's fixed with. So just like that. There we go. This is our ad format. That's it. So we're just going to literally someone's gonna pay our Stripe account. We're just gonna say, okay, man, I'll put that video up for you. Just like that, we're done. Okay, then going down to here, current sales videos link text. It's properly formatted. And there we go. We're basically done with. We just need to do one more thing here, and that's to go over to the next page and have our upload section. So submit your prank. Okay. All right. Let's clone it from the index. We're not gonna keep that anymore. And we're just gonna get rid of this. We're just gonna say send your video. Oh yeah, we're not quite done, but we're getting there really fast. Send it, bro. Send it in, bro. All right, and it's gonna be real simple. It's gonna be a massive input and across the page. Not a normal input. We're gonna just get rid of that. Change it to like size 18. Change that down. Okay, bring that out. Center it horizontally. Fixed width. Okay, this is going to be a video link. Okay. YouTube video link. Boom. And then that's really it. Then they just submit it. And we want to go down here, success button. We'll do that. We're just gonna make this one darker. Change the size to something like 18. Color to white. And say, submit my video, yo. Okay, so we click on this button and it's going to create a new video whose link text is equal to input YouTube links value and reset relevant inputs. And that's it. And then we're going to add a alert across the page which says sent it, bro. Okay, and then I'm just gonna get rid of that. Formatting. Color is gonna be basically like this pretty just green color. Size like 24. Center the text vertically. Yeah, let's go back to the screen. Alright, there we go. That looks nice. And that's it. And then we're going to go back to the index page here. We're going to drag this down a little bit and add really just literally 3 things here. So, okay, this is going to be our vote. Let's call it rank, upvote, vote rank, or funny scale. The funny scale. Okay, and then change this to like size 28, 32. Funny scale. Okay. And then insert dynamic data, current sales videos, vote. And that's really made another one. Coming from the next lane. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Меня не любит, я скажу прощай. Слезы не нужны, только не рыдай. Эти словно джуси, сердце забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачны, детка, пусть затай. Я пью чай не лин. Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хоми за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои
комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. Лечу на ваши голден роликсы.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh.
Set up an automated system where people pay us. We could do that, or we could just take payment through like PayPal. And then I'll show you guys how to edit that. So you go into your app data, videos, and you search for that person's link. So you just say, hey, send me your video link, pay me $400, and I'll change your video so that it's live. So all I have to do is go into the data, go into app data, videos, search for their link. Once it shows up, I'm gonna create a new entry right now. So public.
Think he made another one. Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh.
Кто меня не любит, я скажу прощай. Слезы не нужны, только не рыдай. Бенди словно джуси, сердце забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачны, детка, пужетай. Я пью чай не лин. Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хобби за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. Лечу на ваши голден роликсы.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh.
So one more thing to keep in mind, we're just going to go to development, click on deploy to version, deploy application to live, just like that. Awesome, it's been deployed to live. So to go to our real application, we're just going to type in this we're going to get rid of this debug mode /true. We don't want that. Here's the version test of our site. And there's two versions. The other version's live, so you just get rid of this version test text. Submit your break. Okay, there we go. So here's our website.
Think he made another one.
Send it in, bro.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, oh.
Кто меня не любит, я скажу прощай. Слезы не нужны, только не рыдай. Бенди словно джуси, сердце забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачны, детка, пужетай. Я пью чай не лин. Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хобби за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. Лечу на ваши голден роликсы.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby, oh. знаю
go
этот
back
синдром,
and I want to make this.
я не знаю этот синдром, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром, я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Pretty wicked, right? And we're done. And that's all there is to it.
Jackie made another one. Coming from the next lane.
Traffic to the site.
Залечи мне раны, baby
That's another story. That's for another time. And that's a skill in itself. What I see out there.
Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Animal Kingdom. Animal. I don't know. I don't want to look at something immature. Let's look up Steve-O. I like Steve-O. Oh wow.
Your ass. I'll show you to get custom.
He has a. It's a very attractive. What the fuck?
Yeah, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, my fiance Lux. You don't have to know us very well.
Jackie made another one.
Jackie made another one.
I forgot
Coming
he
from the
made
next
it.
lane.
God.
Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Меня не любит, я скажу прощай. Слезы не нужны, только не рыдай. Эти словно джуси, сердце забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачные, детка пужетай. Я пью чай не лил. Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хоми за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. И дрочу на ваши Golden Rolex.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром.
Jackie made another one. Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Definitely. So then let's move these both over and control click both of them. Whoops. Control click click. Group elements to a group. Make this group fixed width. That all looks good. All right, now let's try that, and that should fix our problem. Not quite. It's still not quite there. It's okay. Just move it over. It's like right there. Right. We can't get that right. There we go.
Jackie made another one.
That'll work this time.
Coming from the next lane.
We may need to-
Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho. Эй, залечи мне раны, baby ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Хо меня не любит, я скажу прощай. Слезы не нужны, только не рыдай. Эти словно джуси, сердце забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачные, детка пужетай. Я пью чай не лин. Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хоми за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. Дрочу на ваши Golden Rolex.
There we go. Now we're done.
Coming from the next lane.
Залечи мне раны, baby ho.
Basically, so for us to advertise our site, we really just want to remember that we have this ranking, but also just post and set it up.
Залечи мне раны,
Just
baby
say, tell your
ho.
friends, you know, you can
Эй,
just
залечи
spam
мне
them.
раны, baby ho.
People are
Залечи мне раны, baby, ho. Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby, ho. Залечи мне раны, baby, ho.
And then just spam
Я
your
не
link
знаю этот
everywhere.
синдром. Я не
And
знаю
if you
этот
need to create multiple
синдром.
accounts, then do that.
Залечи
Just
мне раны,
spam
baby,
this
ho.
submit your prank URL everywhere to get all these YouTube videos showing up there, and then you just, or add them yourself. Add what you think is funny, and your curated playlist is legitimately done just like that. You can add more pages as simple as we added this. Go ahead and do that. So anyway, that's that. Wraps it up, and looking forward to building another app for you guys very soon. I hope you had fun doing this. Okay, almost got one more point, and that is to make the pop-up appear automatically on a page whenever the website loads after a certain period of time. So we want to make sure everyone sees our ad because it's that awesome. So to do this, go to the home page, go to workflows, click here to add a new event, general, pages loaded, and here we're just going to copy the pages. Okay, so pages loaded, click here to add an action, navigation, add a pause, go to that action, type the status bar, adjust this to 5. Now it's going to wait 5 seconds if you want 5,000. 3,000 is going to wait 3 seconds. You get the idea, so you get the amount of time you want to wait. Click here to add another action.
Меня не любит, я скажу прощай.
Pop a pay.
Слезы не нужны,
That
только
simple,
не
guys.
рыдай.
And let's talk about
Бенди
how
словно джуси, сердце
to
забирай. Мои зрачки прозрачны, детка, пужетай. Я пью чай не лин.
We'll see Steve
Мне не нужен этот грязный скин. Хобби за спиной, покажу им мир. Буду вечно благодарен им. Стены здесь так давят на мои комплексы. Я творю историю, словно Стэнли комиксы. Лечу на ваши голден роликсы.
Oh my
Coming
gosh.
from the next lane.
Залечи мне
There we
раны,
go. That
baby,
sounds
ho.
great.
Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю этот синдром. Залечи мне
There,
раны,
that
baby,
video is
ho.
submitted. So we're
Залечи
in
мне
mobile
раны,
editor, right? So we go over to data. I'm sure you guys how to do this already. Click on videos. We need to go to development and switch to
Залечи мне
library
раны, baby, ho.
and go to videos. Find that video. So it's gonna be the most recent one. This is the one. We know that's the link.
Coming from the next
So
lane.
then let's make it pop up.
Залечи
Yes,
мне раны,
just like
baby,
that. It's gonna show up on the pop-up,
Я не
guys.
знаю
That's how you do it. So that's how someone pays you for Cash App or whatever it is.
Залечи мне раны,
Shows up.
baby,
So
ho.
let's watch it.
Залечи мне раны, baby,
So
ho.
wait a few seconds.
Я не знаю этот синдром. Я не знаю
Oh, you
этот
start watching.
синдром. Залечи мне раны, baby,
There we go,
ho.
guys. That's it. And it just forces us to watch it or see it at least anyway.
Or talk to you about
So there you go. Hope that was helpful, guys.